Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Jellyfish Speaker, Jellyfish Bluetooth Speaker Lamp, Jellyfish Speaker Lamp, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because Music-synchronized Jellyfish Lamp. This unique Medusa speaker design can dance with the rhythm of the music, adding a vivid color to your audio-visual experience. All-round stereo sound effect. This Jellyfish lamp speaker uses advanced 360 degrees surround sound technology, so you can enjoy an immersive sound quality experience no matter where you are in the house. Colorful lighting mode. This Jellyfish speaker Bluetooth provides 8 different color temperature modes, and users can easily switch lighting effects according to personal preferences or occasion requirements to create an ideal atmosphere. Efficient Bluetooth connection. This Jellyfish mood lamp with Bluetooth speaker is equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology, ensuring fast and stable connection while providing a longer connection distance. Users can control the playback volume and switch to their favorite music at any time through their mobile phones or other Bluetooth devices. Warm night light function. This Jellyfish light has a built-in desk lamp mode, which can be turned on with just a touch, bringing soft light and a quiet atmosphere to your night and improving sleep quality. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.